I understood everything.
Sorry, man.
Oh, it's okay. you know.
It's not a problem. Okay?
Okay, man. What do you want?
Look at this.
This is a scum from shit, and the shit is very good.
So
for
it, man. It's it.
You can eat.
Yes.
It's a very protein, like my protein.
Oh, you know.
And my
Position.
whey.
Oh, yes.
It's a little.
Let's eat, man.
Let's eat, but it's not good.
Oh,
Fuck!
Oh,
yeah.
in the nose,
shit.
man.
Yeah,
In doctor nose,
Ow.
man. You know. You know, sometimes fucking is a little, and we miss some water, and we're fucking lost. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, fuck! What are you doing? It was water.
Please,
It was water.
don't. Oh shit! Ah!
I'm fucking joking.
I am mouillé.
Ah, my friend, come on.
You know, yesterday I was with my uncle Jam and my Puerto Rico, and we were in the city, and there is something who see my my deltoid, and he says me, "Do you want to fuck me?" And I say, "No, fake shit, no." And I say, "Ba, I fuck you, bitch." And there is a papillon in my hair and a butterfly in my dick. So because I've got three legs, and you know, I was in the I was stressed, and I didn't know why, and fuck it, and so cut. Here, there's something who fuck the earth. I think it's a black dick. Big black dick.
Ah, yes, big
Like
black
a
cocks,
Mama
you know.
Psycho.
Very.
There is a natural.
Ah!
Stop you!
Ah!
Stop you, bitch!
She's so strong. Ah, he attacked. Ah! He attacked me. And what are you doing, man? Yes, we are going to fuck the old wife of the subscribers of the YouTube channel Sahabi Prod. Let's fucking go.
Do you hear Sahabi Prod? Okay, guys, I will say you to something. I love suck dicks because it's my passion. It apports many protein in the body for muscles and for everything. And it was very tiring. And look at my friends.
I very like playing Pokemon Go because my favorite Pokemon is Pikachu. I also fuck Jennifer Lopez. Sorry. I think sometimes we can burn some people because they deserve it. It's a really good thing, I think. Hitler is a genius.
And what about this place? Is there something who lives here?
I fuck my wife 2 times a week, you know. Prod is the best.
Survie Prod is the best.
Yes.
Yeah, so good
And
man.
Stop you.